Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I have to try to do something today too. I have changed the, let's see which side to go on. The strut legs, or the suspension legs, or call it what you want. These legs are changed. New springs, new shock, new top mount. But I have to look at this because they are, for me they look to be all too long. So maybe I just have to cut them off. This is, I'm not sure if this is going over this or what is going to happen. I have to see. Now see the arms in here. I can't see that it's anything wrong with the one I have, but to be sure I have new ones. Put them up here maybe. I have the new ones, so I was thinking to change those before I put the car down, and new screws and everything. So the plan was to be able to get to screw out the other ones, but when I was trying last, it was a big problem to get them loose. I have put on more oil in hope that it's going to loosen up a little more now, so I just have to try. I have to see here. The screw up here is no problem, that one I've been out, but the one down here, that's the one making problems. So I have to see how I can get in there. I'm actually not sure. Maybe I need to open it on both sides and lift this arm up to cut it off if I don't get it to loosen by itself. So first now I can see one more time if it wants to loosen by itself. Because I put on oil last time. Yeah, 5mm allinkey they call, or umbraco we call it. So I have this on this tube. I just open it on the top just to be able to 18. I remember it was 17 or something. It was different. It was, one was different than the other. So here I use 17 just to open the locking screw on the top. Are you seeing it good enough? Just to see if I this should be very simple to get out. Yeah, that one is loose. Then that arm is loose there. Now I'm just going to the other side, just opening the other one and see if I can lift up the whole arm down here, because it's held down by the one on the other side now. Now I have cut off one side. I just have to cut off this one. that one off too. So both legs and screws, just throw them. New arm. Now I have new nuts. I just have to check if it's the 5mm in here still. Yep. Okay. Top is in there, bottom is in there. Now I just have to put in the bolts. I can take off the here and bolt behind. And another one upside. I can check how big it is first. This even looks to be 14. Actually, looks to be 14. These bolts are not completely square. They are a little twisted. So they're going to be a little pain in the ass to get in. There. Then that side is finished. On this side, screws here are tightened. That one is in. Screws back here is tightened. The only thing I haven't changed is the one track rod end here. I can't see any movement in it. So I don't understand, it could be something wrong there. Then I just go and do the same on the other side. Then over on the right side, put in the one here. There. Get up the screws. There. And now I have had 14mm screws. I've had 15, 16. A whole lot of mess. I see one of the arm must have been, at least one of the arm from there before have been changed. These screws are bent so badly that I can't more or less get them to start entering. There. Have to start with the worst one. There, the 5mm. So I have to clean up a little more mess here. I have new brake rotors, but this one, there's nothing wrong with them. I have seen that I'm just going to change the brake pad in the front too, in this 2000 model Celica. But I was thinking that I have ordered that, but it's not here. I can't see it on the last list and the things I ordered too. So I have to check more. If not, I just have to order it. And I'm going to come back with a video separate about this change. So it's yeah, I have to be separate. So please come back and see more of my videos. I hope to be able to get the brake pads in the front quite fast, so I can do it this week when I have time. This week I have okay time. Next week be a little more stressed again. So yeah, please come back, please subscribe. And I hope you like to see both Celica, Land Cruisers and different. I have to see to finish the Kia Z too. I'll try to get it to a control and get the last things fixed and sell it. The Land Cruiser standing out here. I have to start changing the dynamo and alternator, I mean, in English, and things there. And also, yeah, it's a lot of other projects, so it's a lot of things. The Honda Civic standing outside should be okay or controlled. The Lexus ES250 is 30 years this year, so it's going to be very, very cheap to have on the road. So I have to take that one into control too. I hope it's not much I have to do there. So please come back, please subscribe. I also hope to get up both Mercedes and Lexuses from the garage. Maybe start looking at some of the other four-wheel drives, looking more at the idea of camper car. Hopefully it's going to be some car shows this year too. So thank you, please subscribe to the channel, please come back. Goodbye.